Today I am going to discuss 16 multiple choice questions related to Assamese literature which are relevant to various competitive examinations conducted by Government of Assam and also important for school students. Later I will discuss another 16 questions in my next video. Question number 1. The first dictionary in Assamese was compiled by option A. Nathan Brown, option B. Hemchandra Barua, option C. Miles Bronson, option D. Anandaram Dhekial Fukan. And the correct option is option C. Miles Bronson. And his dictionary was published in 1867 at the American Baptist Mission Press, Shivsagar. Question number 2. Namghosa was written by option A. Shankardev, option B. Madhavdev, option C. Ram Saraswati, option D. Madhav Kandali. And the correct option is option B. Madhavdev. And it is also known as Hazari Ghosa. Question number 3. Kathonibari Ghat, a collection of short stories, was written by option A. Saurav Kumar Saliha, option B. Mohim Bora, option C. Mamuni Roysam Goswami, option D. Hiren Bhattacharya. And the correct option is option B. Mohim Bora. And he was elected as a president of Assam Sahitya Sabha held in 1889 at Dumduma. Question number 4. What was the first Assamese children magazine? Option A. Lora Bondhu, option B. Moromor Deuta, option C. Bhaiti, option D. Hofura. And the correct option is option A. Lora Bondhu. And it was edited by Karunaviram Borua. It came out first in the year 1888. Question number 5. Who was the first editor of the Assamese magazine Jonaki? First editor. Option A. Lakshminath Vesborua, option B. Anandaram Dhekial Fukan, option C. Ananda Chandra Agarwala, option D. Chandra Kumar Agarwala. And the correct option is option D. Chandra Kumar Agarwala. And it was published in 1889 under the editorship of Chandra Kumar Agarwala. Question number 6. What was the name of first Assamese magazine? Option A. Jonaki, option B. Bahi, option C. Arunodoy, option D. Mousa. And the correct option is option C. Arunodoy. And this was printed from Baptist Missionary Printing Press, Shivsagar, and was first published in 1846 in the month of January. Question number 7. Who is the founder of the South East Asia Ramayana Research Center? Option A. Late Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, option B. Late Dr. Mamuni Roysam Goswami, option C. Dr. Dhurvajyoti Bora, option D. Dr. Malini. And the correct option is option B. Dr. Mamuni Roysam Goswami. Question number 8. Who was known as Bihogi Kobi? Option A. Syed Abdul Malik, option B. Raghunath Chaudhary, option C. Nilamani Fukan, and option D. Noliniwala Devi. And the correct option is option B. Raghunath Chaudhary. And he was an Indian writer of the Jonaki era of Assamese literature. Question number 9. The Assam Sahitya Sabha was founded in the year option A. 1902, option B. 1917, option C. 1921, and option D. 1912. And the correct option is option B. 1917. And Assam Sahitya Sabha is a non-government, non-profit literacy organization of Assam and was founded in the month of December 1917. Who was the first president of Assam Sahitya Sabha? Option A. Padmanath Gohai Barua, option B. Chandradhar Barua, option C. Kaliram Medhi, option D. Hemchandra Goswami. And the correct option is option A. Padmanath Gohai Barua. and he was the first president of Assam Sahitya Sabha. Question number 11. Assamese, its formation and development, a doctoral dissertation on Assamese language of option A Dr. Birinchi Kumar Borua, option B Dr. Surya Kumar Bhuiya, option C Dr. Banikanto Kakoti, option D Satyanath Bora, and the correct option is option C Dr. Banikanto Kakoti. Question number 12. Who had written the poetry anthology Olokananda? Option A Nilamani Fukon, option B Noliniwala Devi, option C Hem Borua, and option D Ram Gogoi. And the correct option is Noliniwala Devi. And Olokananda is related to Badrinath because Badrinath is one of the holy destinations for Hindus in India. Is located near to the bank of the Olokananda river. Question number 13. Which one is the first Assamese novel to win the Sahitya Academy Award? Option A Antarip, option B Yaringam, option C Bonful, option D Mamaredhora Torwal. And the correct option is option C Bonful. The Sahitya Academy Award is a literacy honor in India, and Jatindranath Dwara is the first Assamese to win this award. And he is also known as the Bonful or Kavi. Question number 14. Karengar Ligiri is a play written by option A Phoni Sharma, option B Jyoti Prasad Agarwala, option C Parvati Prasad Borua, option D Vishnu Prasad Ragha. And the correct option is option B Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. Question number 15. The state anthem O Mor Apnar Desh was first published in the following magazine. Option A Bahi, option B Arunodoy, option C Jonaki, option D Surabhi. And the correct option is option A Bahi. Assam State Anthem O Mor Apnar Desh, written by Sahityarthi Lakshminath Bezbarua. It was first published in 1909 in an Assamese magazine Bahi. The last question, question number 16. First Assamese translator of Ramayana was option A Ram Saraswati, option B Madhav Kondoli, option C Madhav Deva, option D Ananta Kondoli. And the correct option is option B Madhav Kondoli. And he is known as Opramadi Kavi.